Why the hell is Kasib Murdoch disrespecting Rabindra Dhan so much?
Hellboy, we went to fight in Bali, or I tried to fight you. You turned it down. I've been wanting that fight ever since. You did a good fight. I'll see you next round. Let's go.
He got dropped by a flyweight Filipino. He tried to wrestle him and he struggled. I think I'm going to absolutely smash him. I'm going to run through him.
From adding a Nepali flag to his Instagram bio to calling Rabindra Dhan scared in front of the entire world, Kasib अपने ओपोनेंट को ट्रैश टॉक करने से नहीं डरता. Now this could be due to many reasons. शायद क्योंकि वो रविंद्र को अंडर एस्टिमेट करता है, शायद क्योंकि वो वोल्कानोव्स्की के साथ ट्रेनिंग करता है, या शायद he's just trying to get all of Nepal angry and emotional for this fight. By the end of this video, we're going to go through all the trash talk and try to figure out what's the main reason that Kasib Murdoch keeps disrespecting Rabindra Dhan. क्या वो genuinely ये चीजें believe करता है, or is he just pretending and trying to get inside Ravindra's head? To understand Kasib Ravindra को disrespect क्यों कर रहा है, we first have to find कि actually बोला क्या गया था. तो ट्रैश टॉक बेसिकली शुरू होती है as soon as both of them won their road to UFC fights. केसिब अपनी पोस्ट फाइट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में रविंद्र धान को कॉल आउट करता है by saying "ओए नेपाली बॉय", already starting to mock the entire nation of Nepal, जो हम सबको पता है is obviously behind Rabindra Dhan. Honestly, I think this was a great way to plant that initial seed and to tell the whole world कि रविंद्र धान मैं तेरे लिए आ रहा हूँ. I'm not going to be respectful with you. I'm here to beat you and I'm here to take what's mine, which is the UFC contract. लेकिन अजीब बात ये है कि you don't usually see this in the lower ranks of the UFC. हम usually देखते हैं fighters in the main event, co-main event, या fighters that actually hate each other trash talking. लेकिन जब वो लोग UFC में है भी नहीं, वो अभी क्यों trash talk कर रहा है? The answer is absolutely genius. देखो, road to UFC के जो prospects होते हैं या जो टूर्नामेंट में लड़ रहे होते हैं, they usually sell themselves through their performance. अगर आप एक amazing knockout या एक amazing performance दिखाओगे, UFC will notice, audience will notice, it will spread. लेकिन केसिब को पता है कि there's a whole country supporting his opponent and केसिब can't rely on the audience fully caring about him, क्योंकि उसको पता है everyone only cares about his opponent, जो है रविंद्र. पूरा देश देखेगा लेकिन सिर्फ रविंद्र को. केसिब को एक रीजन बनाना पड़ेगा for people to emotionally invest, for people to also care about him. अगर आप रविंद्र की पिछली फाइट देखो अगेंस्ट दैट फिलिपिनो फाइटर, एवरीवन वाज जस्ट केयरिंग अबाउट रविंद्र. लेकिन इस फाइट में क्योंकि केसिब इतना ट्रैश टॉक कर रहा है, इतने लोगों को एंग्री करा रहा है, people are gonna care about him too. अब it doesn't matter if people care about him losing or people care about him winning. Ultimately, people will care. I am more invested in how this fight is gonna go compared to the previous Rabindra Dhan fight. क्योंकि अब it feels like there's stakes. And even though I'm a neutral, I'm not from Nepal or New Zealand, I still want to see who wins. So he's making people that normally wouldn't care about this fight care about this fight. लेकिन ये जो rivalry है, it might not have started just because they're fighting in the road to UFC. केसिब का मानना है कि this rivalry started 3 years ago. Now this is where it gets pretty interesting, क्योंकि there is kind of a big history between Rabindra, Kasib and Soma Fight Club, जो है रविंद्र का जिम. तो after Kasib and Rabindra finish their first road to UFC fights, Kasib एक वीडियो बनाता है जहाँ he absolutely goes off on Rabindra for ducking him 3 years ago.
Fighting Mr. Dart from Nepal. I was asked to fight him ages ago in Bali, or about a year ago, and he turned me down for whatever reason. I think he was scared, but for whatever reason. And I just rewatched this fight, so I'm pretty confident going into this. He got dropped by a flyweight Filipino, and he tried to wrestle him and he struggled. I think I'm going to absolutely smash him. I'm going to run through him.
तो केसिब बेसिकली एक वीडियो बनाता है where he absolutely destroys Dhant for ducking him, for rejecting a fight against Kasib 1 year ago in Bali, right? And ये इतना मैटर इसलिए करता है क्योंकि मोस्ट जो राइवलरीज होती है फाइटिंग में, they're not built from an insult, they're usually built from like an interpretation. Let me tell you what that means. Khabib versus McGregor was built from Conor's interpretation that Khabib ने मेरे टीममेट को मारा. लेकिन for Khabib, he saw a fighter who was Artem Lobov constantly talking shit about him. So Khabib went ahead, confronted him and slapped him. Right? दोनों की different understanding और interpretations थी. क्योंकि there was misunderstandings, there was a big rivalry. इस सिनारियो में भी there's a big misunderstanding. जैसे आप देख सकते हो वीडियो में, Soma Fight Club, which is Ravindra's gym, comments, "You got the wrong Nepalese guy." Yuki, who is another Nepali fighter, was offered this fight. I guess they turned it down and Kasib accused Ravindra of ducking him. And Soma Fight Club basically says that you were never meant to fight Dhant, you were meant to fight Yuki, and that fell apart. Like, I think it's a great thing that Kasib is kind of implying that you ducked me, you ran away from me. And whether it was Yuki or whether it was Rabindra, subconsciously केसिब के लिए it's just reinforcing him with confidence कि ये बंदा मेरे से भागा था. This guy ran away from me earlier. I am going to crush him. It will just reinforce that confidence जो केसिब के दिमाग में already है. तो जब केसिब actually रविंद्र को scared या ducking या जो भी बुलाता है, it's not just like random trash talk. It's because he actually believes that's what happened leading up to the tournament. And if you think this was good, उसका जो नेक्स्ट मूव था was an absolute master stroke क्योंकि it was designed to make sure कि the whole country of Nepal notices him and starts talking about him. Kesib added a Nepali flag to his bio and there's a very simple reason he did that. जैसे ही केसिब ने वो पिछली वीडियो निकाली where he's just saying I'm gonna crush this guy, a Filipino guy dropped Dhand, I'm gonna wipe the floor with him, right? He got so much hate. He got so many hate comments, so many just insulting messages from the Nepali fans.
To be honest, I don't mind. Like, I'm getting heaps of hate messages. They're just spamming my Instagram with comments, telling me I'm going to lose, telling me I don't know, every second message request is someone trying to fight me from there, saying that they're going to beat me up or I'm going to get beaten by him. But it does not really faze me at all.
Which is fair enough. अगर आप एक fan base को trigger करने वाले हो, you better be ready for the storm that comes after. Trust me, I've seen it before, Kesib. लेकिन इस सब के बाद, very quietly, very subtly, Kesib just goes ahead and puts the Nepal flag in his bio. Now let me tell you why this was a masterstroke. After this video, every single person was waiting कि Kesib अब क्या करेगा? अब क्या trash talk होगा? Will it be forced? Will it be cringe? Like क्या ही होगा? लेकिन he doesn't tell anyone anything. वो खुद कुछ एडवर्टाइज नहीं करता. He instead lets the fans find out. सारे जो नेपाल के फैंस होंगे they've obviously been going to his profile, leaving comments and किसी ने नोटिस किया भाई तूने नेपाल फ्लैग क्यों डाला है अपने बायो में. And suddenly in our world of Indian and South Asian MMA, it became breaking news. So many creators made videos on it. We've seen some fighters change their bios. जैसे Ilia Topuria manifest करता है कि this is going to be my record after the fight. लेकिन I've never seen this where you put your opponent's flag in your bio क्योंकि उसको पता है how patriotic the Nepali fans are. उसको एक और वीडियो रिलीज करनी नहीं पड़ी. He didn't directly insult रविंद्र. उसको पता था कि फैंस उसको पूछेंगे why did you add that flag? Why did you put it in the first place? And that would keep the rivalry and the trash talk moving. Right now, they only care about Dhand. His job is to make everyone care about him as well. लेकिन जहां नेपाली फ्लैग helped build Kesib's profile and brought attention to him, उसके actual comments about Ravindra revealed something more important. How Kesib actually perceives कि ये fight कैसे जाएगी, कि रविंद्र कैसे लड़ेगा. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि trash talk is simply just insults. You are trying to insult, degrade the other opponent as much as possible. इस theory में there is obviously some truth, right? You're trying to get inside the opponent's head. You're trying to play games with them. आप उनका confidence थोड़ा shake up करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. All true. लेकिन subconsciously एक fighter का जो trash talk होता है, it speaks volumes to how they actually perceive उनका opponent cage में कैसे लड़ेगा. Let's take this video for example. Kesib says he got dropped by a flyweight Filipino, which means that he's probably thinking कि रविंद्र can't take many shots. तो शायद he's gonna try to land a lot more power shots on Ravindra. It's revealing Kesib की जो trash talk है, it's revealing how he perceives Ravindra actually कैसे लड़ने वाला है. And then he also says he tried to wrestle him and वो भी नहीं कर पाया. So trash talk most times is disguised as what the fighter believes will actually happen in the fight. I feel like अगर Kesib कह रहा है कि रविंद्र डरता है, he's a bit hesitant, he's gonna probably expect himself, which is Kesib, to be the aggressor in the fight. This is the difference which I was trying to tell you guys कि trash talk, yes, it is about getting inside your opponent's head, लेकिन subconsciously, it is also what a fighter believes the other opponent's abilities to be. So from my understanding of that video, Kesib probably thinks कि रविंद्र की wrestling इतनी अच्छी नहीं है and रविंद्र की chin इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So those are probably the two things that Kesib is going to try and exploit in this fight. And अब मैं एक harsh truth बोलने वाला हूँ, which a lot of you probably won't like. Kesib का ये जो confidence है, जो trash talk है, it might be valid. देखो, this guy is no joke. ये बंदा पहले एक amateur boxer था, फिर amateur MMA में आया. He's won titles in both amateur boxing and amateur MMA. He trains with Alex Volkanovski and JDM. Comes from a very high level location, जो है Australia, New Zealand, Oceanic region के जो fighters होते हैं, they are the world's best. We've had many champions from that region. Israel Adesanya, Alex Volkanovski, Robert Whittaker, JDM and one of the rising stars from there as well, Quillan Salkir. लेकिन trash talk और disrespect करना is not just sunshine and rainbows. Trash talk और disrespect का एक downfall भी है, which is you start underestimating your opponent. I love this example of Conor versus Khabib because one of the most intense rivalries, right? And Conor के अंदर इतना rage था, इतना like venom भरा हुआ था कि he underestimated the hell out of Khabib. जिस तरीके से कॉनर उस फाइट में लड़ा था, he gave Khabib no respect. Now I don't think that is what Kasib will do. Obviously बहुत different situation है ये. They both are fighting for a UFC contract. भाई ये दोनों अपनी जान लगा देंगे to win. That is a fact. But the danger of trash talk, disrespect is that you sometimes can start underestimating your opponent. And although Kasib के पास काफी advantages है, रविंद्र की जो durability है, his ability to recover, उसकी जो cardio है, उसका जो passion है, उसका जो hunger है, you cannot take that away from him. रविंद्र अपनी पहली road to UFC fight में drop हुआ था. Yes, it was by a flyweight. लेकिन he recovered and उसने फिर भी एक तरीका ढूंढा to finish the fight. Rabindra is not a fighter who will give up when things start getting shaky and things don't start going his way. He's used to this. So now we've been through all the history. क्या थी trash talk? How it affects both sides? And क्या ये confidence है या बस underestimation? लेकिन let's come back to the main point. Why does Kasib still keep disrespecting Rabindra Dhan? And मेरे opinion में there's a couple of reasons for it. Reason number one, Kasib चाहता है कि रविंद्र ये fight emotional होके लड़े. देखो, द गोल ऑफ ट्रैश टॉक हमेशा इंटिमिडेशन नहीं होता. इट्स समटाइम्स टू मेक द ओपोनेंट मोर इमोशनल देन दे नीड टू बी. शायद रविंद्र स्टार्ट्स ओवर एक्सटेंडिंग, शायद रविंद्र गेट्स ओवरली अग्रेसिव, शायद वो अपना गेम प्लान इग्नोर करना शुरू कर दे. क्योंकि अगर रविंद्र एंटर्स दैट फाइट ट्राइंग टू पनिश केसिब फॉर एवरीथिंग ही सेड, ऑल द ट्रैश टॉक, केसिब ऑलरेडी हैज एन एडवांटेज बिफोर द फाइट इवन स्टार्ट्स. रीजन नंबर 2, केसिब जेन्युइनली रविंद्र को अच्छा कंसिडर नहीं करता, राइट? आप ये पहली वीडियो में देखते हो, केसिब वेरी ट्रूथफुली, मेरे ओपिनियन में, he says he's just not on my level. Now this could be again due to a variety of reasons, because he trains with world class fighters, because he just has a lot more experience than Rabindra, and शायद वो बस खुद को technically ज्यादा superior consider करता है more than Dhant, which is completely fair. So with this reason the trash talk कुछ दिखावा या acting नहीं है. Kasib genuinely believes these things and वो बस publicly अपने thoughts को voice out कर रहा है. Reason number 3, Kasib is trying to manufacture pressure. And मेरे opinion में I think this is the most likely reason. मेरे को लगता है कि Kasib could be trying to make Rabindra feel कि एक normal performance, एक normal victory काफी नहीं है. By publicly dismissing him, by publicly dismissing his skills and abilities, he's trying to make Rabindra feel as if he needs to prove something. Prove something to the fans, the massive audience जो ये fight देख रही होगी अब. Kasib ने also कहा था कि रविंद्र की performance in his first fight wasn't that good. So by publicly dismissing him, Kasib might be forcing Rabindra to chase a victory or a knockout at any cost. Reason number 4, Kasib is just trying to build his own brand. We've seen this with countless fighters. You attack a famous fighter to try and build your own brand, to try and gather your own fans. क्योंकि अगर आप अब इस famous fighter को हरा देते हो, you get a lot of fans because you trash talked, you said your piece, you predicted the fight accurately, and it happened. क्योंकि before this rivalry, no one gave a shit who Kasib Murdoch was, right? Everyone cared about Rabindra Dhant. लेकिन after this rivalry, no matter कौन जीतता है या कौन हारता है, people will care about Kasib. He has definitely made a name for himself by doing this. तो बड़ा सवाल आता है, what's the main reason that Kasib is doing this? He may want to see Rabindra fight emotionally. Kasib genuinely Rabindra को उसके लेवल पे नहीं मानता. शायद वो बस प्रेशर क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, या शायद वो बस अपनी ब्रांड और अपनी आइडेंटिटी बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Most likely answer is a combination of all 4 of them. Kasib definitely अपना ब्रांड बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. What better way to do that than by going after a famous fighter? लेकिन मेरे को लगता है he genuinely believes कि रविंद्र उसके लेवल पे नहीं है. This is going to be such an interesting fight. I'm going to be making so many more videos on this fight. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए, YouTube को लगता है कि आपको ये वीडियो भी पसंद आएगी. Let's find out if they're right.